Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about Indiabulls housing finance for our chart. We will try to look at the price action and also we will try to understand the market behavior. We will discuss about this extraordinary uptrend that we are seeing on the stock price. So if you look at this particular uptrend, the stock prices have rallied all the way from 150 to somewhere around 290. So the moment it touches 300, we can say the stock prices have rallied almost like 100%. So if you have invested somewhere around 50,000, your investment might have become somewhere close to 1 lakh if it has crossed 300. Okay. So we'll discuss more about this particular uptrend. We will try to understand the price action over here. So before we delve into this particular analysis, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the notification icon so that you can receive more insightful contents and more insightful price action trading lessons just like these. So without wasting any further time, let us look at the stock prices. So first of all, if you look at the stock prices of Indiabulls Housing Finance, we can see a very clear uptrend, right? The stock prices are actually making consistent higher highs and we can call it as a markup phase. So as per the legendary trader Richard Wyckoff, this is what we call as a markup phase. And when you look at the strength of the uptrend seems to be getting even stronger, right? So when you look at the overall uptrend and if you try to compare with the volume as well, if you try to look at the price action and the volume, both the prices are also making higher highs and the volume is also consistently increasing, which means more orders are coming into the market. More strength is actually seen on the buying side. All right, the buying pressure or the buying strength is actually very strong. And apart from that, another important thing is, if you look at the long-standing resistance zone over here, the prices had a very good resistance zone at 250 and the stock prices have completely broken that particular resistance zone, right? So right after breaking the resistance zone, we had a kind of a minor pullback. The stock prices retested this particular resistance zone and it has created a kind of a minor pullback pattern, and right after that we can see a consistent rally in the stock prices. Even the rally got accelerated, right? You can see a very good increase in the size of these bullish candles, right? The momentum is actually picking up in the stock. You can see that. So right after the breakout of this long-standing resistance zone, the momentum is quickly picking up. And also you can see that, I'm doing this analysis on the actual market. This is on the live market hours. So currently the time is somewhere around 11:17. So I think by the end of the day, the stock prices might test the level that is trading at 300. Okay. I mean, the level which is at 300 is likely to be tested by the stock. So right after testing the level, we may see a kind of a small pullback or we may see a kind of a small correction in the stock price. But right after that pullback and correction, I think the stock prices might continue to climb even higher. So there is a 60% chance the stock prices might continue to climb even upside. On the other hand, if we see any kind of selling pressure, if we see any kind of negative events or negative news, then we may see some strong selling behavior which can push the stock prices all the way back to the point of 250. Okay, so I don't see much probability of that. I see only a 40% chance of such a scenario taking place. So that's how I see the stock prices. And apart from that, I also give you a quick suggestion. If you are planning to trade this particular trend, don't try to jump in the middle. Don't try to capture the trend in the middle itself. Always look for a pullback and don't be emotional. Don't try to jump in the middle. That's not the right way to trade the markets. So wait for a proper opportunity, wait for a good setup. So once you get a proper setup, then you can try to position yourself within that. So if I'm going to trade this particular stock, I will not jump in the middle. I will wait for a pullback, and then I will try to take my positions based on the pullback. Okay, and also I will try to see the price action. I'll also look for further increase in the trading volume. I will keep an eye on the entire uptrend. So if I see any changes in the uptrend, if I see any kind of reversal signs, then quickly I will change my analysis. I will try to change my approach. So that's how I see the stock prices. That's how I think it is likely to unfold. As usual, I'm a trader, so my analysis could be wrong. My analysis can be nullified by the market. So in such cases, what I will do is I will try to cut my losses very short. I will try to exit from my positions very quickly. All right. So that's how I see this particular stock prices. So keep in mind, if you are planning to trade this, make sure you have a proper strategy. Make sure you are looking for a proper setup. And also another input, if you want me to look at any particular stocks, or if you want me to analyze any specific scripts of your choice, leave it on the comment section. And also if you have any questions or any doubts on this particular stock, put it on the comments below. I will go through the comments and I will try to answer them personally. So hope you like this particular video. If you like it, kindly click on the like button and also click on the subscribe icon, click on the notification icon so that you can receive more insightful lessons just like these. So thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.